Falmouth Academy, learning extends beyond the classroom, into the heart of our community. Welcome home, Mariners. We're so excited to announce that Falmouth Academy has purchased an historic inn in downtown Falmouth, the next step in the launch of our 5-day boarding program. Here, students will live and learn just a short walk from campus and just steps from the culture, creativity, and coastline that make Falmouth extraordinary.
Our boarding program offers the best of both worlds to students who live too far away to commute to school on a daily basis, building independence during the week and connecting with family on the weekends. This new chapter strengthens our mission by opening our doors to students beyond our local area, enriching our community with new perspectives and deepening our commitment to helping all students take creative and intellectual risks and meet the challenges of our times. We can't wait to welcome our Mariners home.